Hello, my name is Tate. I'm an AI business coach, and today we're going to be talking about 4 AI tools every coach should be using today. Our first tool for today is, of course, going to be ChatGPT. I would highly recommend all of you coaches sign up for the ChatGPT Plus subscription. With that subscription, everybody, you get all the latest features from OpenAI. And lately, there have been a ton of new high quality features that I would highly recommend you guys give it a try. So, in addition to all the text in and text out outputs that are great for social media content, outlining, ideation, and all kinds of other grateful things, some of the new features include things like voice, being able to talk to ChatGPT through the mobile version. Another awesome feature that has recently been added to the list is GPT Vision, where you essentially can upload an image and it understands what it is. And so, as a coach, you can do all kinds of stuff with these features. Highly recommend it. One real cool use case that I have started to use recently is that you can take a screenshot basically of anything, upload it, and get feedback directly from ChatGPT. So if you upload a picture of an email, it'll give you feedback on the email. Upload it a picture of a sales page, it will critique and offer recommendations to your sales page. In addition to those new capabilities, ChatGPT has recently got something called GPTs, which are custom versions of ChatGPT that you can create to do all kinds of interesting things. So some of the GPTs that I have personally created for my business is a messaging coach GPT, a marketing research GPT, or an ideal customer avatar GPT. And what these GPTs are, everybody, are basically custom versions of ChatGPT that you can set up to do very specific things. And I think GPTs are going to have a bright, powerful future ahead. And so I would highly recommend, guys, if you're going to try any of these AI tools, definitely try OpenAI's ChatGPT. Next, everybody, I would highly recommend you coaches try out Canva and Canva's new AI features. So once again, you can use some of these in the free version of Canva, but if you guys pay for the premium version of Canva, you get all kinds of AI enabled features. Some of these features that I use daily are things like background remover or magic editor, or Magic Expand, for example, manipulate images, make edits, do all kinds of cool, fancy things for thumbnails for your videos or slideshows you need to use in your coaching presentations. But Canva and the plethora of AI features that they are building into the platform is an amazing and highly recommend to try it out. All right, tool number 3, everybody, called Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI, when you go to it, looks a lot like a Google search. But let me tell you, everybody, this is a Google search of a different kind. This is a AI native, AI built search where you basically put your query in. You have a co-pilot mode, and basically the AI will go out, search the internet for your thing. It will search a bunch of sources. So if you have a specific request, you can ask the request. It will go out. It will read a bunch of articles for you, follow a bunch of links, and then bring all that information together and give you a summation of everything that it has found. So kind of what we wish Google would do all the time. It works right here in Perplexity, right? So if an answer doesn't come up immediately in Google, I like to go to Perplexity for more complicated, deeper questions that typically I would have to read several articles to just find the answer to. If I go in, put in a prompt, flip on this Copilot thing, so you get five Copilot uses every 4 hours before you have to pay. You have basically Perplexity gets access to GPT-4, the underlying model in ChatGPT, and it basically goes out, finds the information, summarizes your answer, and gives you sources for that information. so you can follow the information back to its source and make sure it's correct. But in general, I have found Perplexity to be one of the greatest uses of search and AI to date. So, highly recommend trying our tool number 3. Tool number 4, everybody, our final tool is a tool or more like a platform called Chatbase. And what Chatbase is, everybody, is basically imagine a custom chatbot, but for your website or for some other platform. So kind of like the GPTs in ChatGPT, except this is train your custom chatbot with your data. You can put something like a custom a chat icon in the bottom right corner of your website or your sales page. And essentially, people can have a conversation with your business. If they have any questions, they can ask the chatbot. You can also upload information from a course that you're teaching or from previous transcripts. So in a lot of ways, like ChatGPT's GPTs, except in this case, you have special features designed to attach this to your website or your sales page. A great way to get questions answered right away. The instructions to actually act as a very persuasive salesperson for your business. Also, everybody, before you go, I wanted to give everybody a small gift. I recently created an Ultimate Coaches Guide, 24 real life ways ChatGPT can help you get more clients. This is a springboard for you coaches to get the juices flowing. And so you guys can start to think through all the different ways that ChatGPT can start helping you guys enroll clients right away. Today, this is not future kind of stuff, but today, if this free guide sounds of interest to you guys, there is a link in the description below. Take a look at that. Thank you guys for hanging out today. Give me a like, give me a love, subscribe if you guys want more content like this. And coaches, I will see you in the next time. Bye for now.